Infused Ink Tee Shirt with Made Exclusively by Lainie. You'll need heat transfer glitter vinyl. Remember to cut with the sparkly side down. Infused ink transfer sheet should be color side up. Cover the shirt with the white transfer paper and make sure to iron it prior to placing the image. Place the glitter image first. Be sure to put the transfer paper in between the iron and the image before ironing. After removing the plastic sheet from the glitter image, place the infused ink paper upside down so that you only see the white part, and then iron again. You only need to hold the iron firmly for 25 to 30 seconds in order to transfer the images to the shirt. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit like and leave a comment. I would love to hear any feedback.